Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 10.8, Question number 9. A pot of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius is removed from the stove at time t equals 0 and left to cool in the kitchen. After 5 minutes, the water temperature has decreased to 80 degrees Celsius, and another 5 minutes later, it has dropped to 65 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature of the kitchen. Let T equal temperature of the boiling water and Tm equal temperature of kitchen. Now, by Newton's law of cooling, you can write integral dt over t minus tm equal k integral dt. Now integral over here integrating, it becomes log t minus tm equal kt plus c. C is the constant of log c. C is the constant of integration. Now log of t minus tm minus log c equal kt. Log of t minus tm over c equal kt. Therefore, e power log of t minus tm by c is t minus tm over c equal e power kt. Then t minus tm equals c e power kt. This is let it be equation 1. Now, when t equal to 0, that means the boiling water taken from the stove, that time starts t equals 0, then temperature of the boiling water is 100 degree Celsius. Now t minus tm equal c e power 0 because kt is 0 because t is 0. From that e power 0 is 1. From that we can say c equal t minus tm. Therefore, we can say 100 minus tm equal 100 minus tm equal c. From 100 minus tm equal to c. Now from 1, look, this one is t minus tm equal c e power kt. That we can write from 1, t minus tm equal c is 100 minus tm e power kt, e power kt, when the condition also when t equal to 5 minutes and the temperature is 80 degrees. That means the condition, look at this condition, after 5 minutes the water temperature has decreased to 80 degrees Celsius. Therefore 80 minus Tm equal 100 minus Tm e power 5k. Now 80 minus Tm over 100 minus Tm equal e power 5k. Let it be 2. Now also when t equal to 10, also when t equal to 10 minutes, that is another 5 minutes, then it's given the temperature is 65 degrees. Here and another 5 minutes later it has dropped 65. That means before 5 minutes, now 5 minutes, totally 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it dropped 65 to 65 degrees. Therefore we can write 65 minus Tm equal 100 minus Tm e power 10k. Therefore 65 minus Tm equal 100 minus Tm e power 5k the square, because 5k the square is 5k whole square is e power 5k whole square is e power 10k, which is from 2. E power 5k is from 2. We can say here 65 minus Tm equal 100 minus Tm e power 5k is 80 minus Tm over 100 minus Tm the square, because it is e power 5k, here e power 10k comes this. Next, so here look at here 100 minus Tm 80 minus Tm the square over 100 minus Tm the square. So one cut. So we have 65 minus Tm equal 80 minus Tm the square over 100 minus Tm. So by cross multiplying 65 minus Tm into 100 minus Tm equal 80 minus Tm the square. Now expanding this 6500 and 65 into Tm is minus 65 Tm minus 100 Tm plus Tm square equal 80 square here 6400 minus 1 to AB 1600 Tm plus Tm square. So look at this equation. Tm square is cut. Then collecting 65,000 minus 6,500 minus 6,400 is 100 and minus 65 Tm minus 100 Tm minus 165 Tm equal 6, go that side is 65 165 Tm 165 Tm minus 160 Tm, not 160 Tm, that is 100 equal 5 Tm, which gives Tm equal 100 over 5 equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Hence the temperature of the kitchen, kitchen equal 80 degrees Celsius. Now next question. A tank initially contains 50 liters of pure water. Starting at time t equals 0, a brine containing with 2 grams of dissolved salt per liter flows into the tank at the rate of 3 liters per minute. The mixture is kept uniform by stirring, and as well stirred mixture simultaneously flow out of the tank at the same rate. Find the amount of salt present in the tank at any time t greater than 0. Here let x of t, that is x of t denotes the amount of salt in the tank at time t. Its rate changes. That means rate of salt, that is rate of salt in the water, the rate of change equal dx by dt. That is amount of salt in particular amount of water is dx by dt is equal, here a brine containing with 2 grams of dissolved water per liter flows into the tank at the rate of 3 liters per minute. The mixture is kept uniform by stirring, as well as stirred mixture simultaneously flows out of the tank at the same rate. Find the amount of salt. Here inflow rate, outflow rate. Here inflow rate minus outflow rate. Here 2 gram times 3 liters per minute is inflow rate. Here 2 grams of dissolved water, that is inflow rate is 2 gram per liter and 3 gram per liter. Therefore containing 2 gram of dissolved salt per liter flows into the tank at the rate of 3 liters per minute. Means here totally, which is equal therefore inflow rate is 2 2 gram into 3 liters per 3 liters per minute, which is equal totally 2 into 3, 6 gram of salt. Therefore, the outflow of salt, inflow of salt, the outflow of salt is 3 by 50, because 50 liters pure water, 350 times x equal 3x by 50. Now let us have more space. Therefore, from that regarding condition, you can write dx by dt flow rate equal 6 minus 3x by 50. That is, we have dx by dt equal 50 is LCM, 150 minus 3x. 150 minus 3x over 50. Therefore, we can rearrange dx by now, which is further equal, we can use dx by dt equal, here 150 minus this one you can write in manner of minus 3 out, x minus 50 over 50, which gives dx by, here 300, sorry, not here, 6 into 50 is 300, not 150, 300, this is 100, dx by x minus 100 equal minus 3 by 50 dt. Now integrating both sides, dx by x minus 100 equal minus 3 by 50 dt. Here, integrating this, we have log of x minus 100 equal minus 3 by 50 t. So, by taking e power x minus 100 equal e power minus 3t by 50 plus log c, x minus 100 t plus log c plus log c. Therefore, we can say this is log let us have more space for here. Log of x minus 100 minus log c equal minus 3t over 50. So log of x minus 100 over c equal minus 3t over 50. So e power log, that is e power log of x minus 100 over c is x minus 100 over c equal e power minus 3t over 50. Therefore x minus 100 equal c e power minus 3t over 50. Therefore x equal x minus 100 when the condition when t equal to 0, amount is also 0. Here amount of salt also 0. Then since initial water has pure, because at initially water is pure, there is no salt in this water, so that is x is, we can put it 0 minus 100 equals c into e power minus, that is fully e power 0, so which gives c equal minus 100. Then therefore the equation becomes x minus 100 equal c is minus 100 e power minus 3t over 50. 3t over 50. Therefore x gives 100 minus 100 e power minus 3t over 50. Then further x is 100 is common, 1 minus e power minus 3t over 50. Therefore the amount of hence the amount of salt in the tank, the amount of salt in the water, in the tank, at time t, at any time at time t is given as x equal is given by 100 into 1 minus e power minus 3t by 50. This one we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.